Hi, I'm Amelie with Systematic Excellence Consulting, and today I'm going to go over ClickUp email to task. So there's actually, you can email to task and you can email to list. So I'll go over email to task first. I already went and sent myself some emails so I could show you what it looks like. So I'm going to open this task up here, and you're going to see that I sent the email right here. And then it'll download the original email if I want to see it. Anyway, so this is it, respond to the email from Sujatha. She's one of our team members, so I just made this up. And it'll put it in a comment, okay? And then in order to get the actual address that you need to use, you click on the three dots and you click on the little envelope and it'll give you the address. You just copy that. And if you watched my video on note taking or notes, I made a couple different videos about taking notes in ClickUp. You can copy this and you could put it in your notes pad. So, and then if you have the Chrome extension, this will be on all of your browser windows when you're in one. So if this is the email to task links, I guess they're not really links, but whatever, you get the idea. I'll just put it in here, and then I would just name it. This is the check email task. And then I just put it there just to save it so I have it. So that's what it's going to look like. The other thing you can do is you can forward emails. So say you want to look at your emails from inside of ClickUp as part of your daily routine. You can do that, and you can forward the emails from your inbox into here. And then, oh, this is the one to the list. I'm sorry, let's start this again. Review items. So you can also email. So I'm sorry, this was the email, the email to task was that. And then that's how you get the, right here, clicking on the envelope or the three dots in the envelope. That's the attach emails to task. Now, you can also email a list by clicking on the three dots, and then you get this email, and you can copy that, and that'll be to this list, and it'll actually create a task for you to do that. So I went into my email account, and I forwarded one of our emails from Neil Patel, who, by the way, is fantastic. Follow him. Anyway, so this is what it'll look like inside of ClickUp. So I just forwarded that so you could see what it looks like. And then I forwarded this one too. No, not that one. I'm sorry. This one. Sorry. These right here. And then it'll have the attachment of the actual email that was sent, and you can either look at it or, whatever, but the information is all there. So that's what it'll look like. It'll show me in here. And then you can delete this or, whatever. But anyway, so that's emailing to task. So one last thing I want to show you, I didn't do it when I sent this, but so if I click on this, you can see the image here where it tells you what each thing is. So when you are putting in, using the carrots to put it in, you can put the due date in, assigned to whoever, you can put the person's name, and then you can even add tags that way, and then the body is going to be the task description, and you can use attachments. So if you attach documents or files to the email, they'll show up as attachments inside the task, and that all those instructions, this will be on there as soon as you open this up. So that's emailing to task and emailing to a list. Emailing to task would just be if you're want something specifically to live inside the task. But if you want to create tasks, you want to email to the list. So again, my name is Amelie. I am with Systematic Excellence Consulting. I hope that was helpful. Make sure you subscribe to catch our future videos. And if you're looking for additional support on getting things set up and organized in ClickUp, there's a link below to schedule a free call. Feel free to do that and see if we can help you out. Thank you so much.